咁咧，呢個 video 就主要係講翻你份嘢有啲咩可以改正啦，有啲咩可以做得好啲嘅。咁我就等先，哇，slideshow 咁樣啦。咁第一件事咧就係、呢一版係啱你先，呢一版除咗一條之外都啱晒。咁嗰條邊條咧係第11條。咁咧呢個 allowed rumble of music 其實allowed blast of music。咁咧我就要同你講講呢個 rumble 同埋 blast 嘅分別先嘅，如果咪就好難明噶啦之後。咁咧 rumble 同 blast 咧其實因為你本身睇得少依個字啊。咁佢咧，rumble 係真係好低聲，即係好低同埋好沉嘅聲，跟住隆隆隆隆隆咁樣嘅聲嚟嘅。咁多數咧就會用喺啲咩嚟？Thunder、engine 啊、stomach 啊，like 佢個 I can hear your stomach rumbling. You are clearly hungry。多數都係唔會話 your stomach blast 嘅，stomach blast 就係你佢個 stomach 爆鬼咗啦。咁 rumbling 就係鼓聲啦咁樣。咁咧 engine 都係嘅，即係可能呢個係嚟 train engine 咁樣，你就聽到佢啲車嘅引擎啊，但係隆隆聲咁樣。咁 train 又係啦。咁啊 thunder 咧，有時都用到嘅 thunder 可以。咁佢唔係嘭一聲噶嘛，佢係隆隆聲噶嘛。咁 blast 就唔同啦，blast 多數係 explosion 咁啊，嘭咁樣啦。咁佢 rocket launched create a loud blasts。A sudden blast 就變即係無啦啦爆咗啲風出嚟咁樣，跟住就推冧咗啲 chairs，not the chairs。Hope you have a blasted time。嗱，呢個就比較特別啲嘅，佢有另一個解釋。Also adjective blasted time 嘅加 ed 啊，意思係即係希望你有一個好即係好一個 happy time。Hope you have a 即係好好玩嘅一個一段時間啦，咁樣一個好開心嘅時間咁解。咁呢個就話埋嚟指先。咁好啦，去翻所以今次都係主要錯過 rumble 同埋 blast 啊。咁就係第11條係 a loud blast of music came from a car driving by the house。我諗下你多數有啲好鬼死嘈嘅車，佢哋都係無啦啦經過嘅時候爆大聲咁嘛。即係 music 啊，咧係唔會無啦啦有人開啲 music 係咁樣，多數係砰砰聲噶嘛。即係你估到啲 rapper 咁樣，可能即係有個人揸住車，跟住佢係播啲 rap 聲嘅，咁就好鬼死大聲，跟住爆聲爆出嚟咁樣。咁 so that's one thing. And then we have 樹，嚟係先，跟住就sorry 啊。嗯，係啦，等陣先。咁第19咧就係呢單嘢又係 rumble 同 blast 啦。咁就 allowed rumble in the tummy。因為如果唔係咧就係尷尬嘅會。咁係咯，rumble 就唔係個 tummy 爆咗，佢係隆聲。咁之後咧就嚟第二版字啦。咁呢個係呢個咧就要將佢轉 form 有可能，即係有少少啦。例如第6題啦，就其實 blasting 都得嘅。咁但係咧誒，因為第8條 allowed rumble of music 係唔得嘅，所以 allowed blast of music come from neighbor's house。所以呢個要變翻做 rumble 係啦。要主要係一個塞位嘅問題嘅啫。咁呢個係6同埋8啦。咁第7條都可以改善下。 at the party，你記得 when 係咪啊？Was listening，咁呢個咪 past tense 啊？咁呢個係咪 past tense 或者 past continuous 啊？即係當冇人聽緊嘢嘅時候，啊、Lily muttered something，佢咁樣噏咗啲嘢，或者 was muttering something 都得。咁呢個係呢三條咯，跟住下一版都有嘅，呢個係難少少噶，所以就我都預你錯。咁呢度咧爭少少，第十一題，My legs were aching，唔係 was aching 啦。第十八題，話呢個就凄涼啦，呢個好爭少少，wandered 咧係一個 R 唔係兩個 R，呢個係 special case 嚟嘅，就係 WANDER 加 ED 嘅啫，唔使 RED，咁就冇陰功，但係都好叻噶啦，其實基本上我見你要好多人套得好好，咁跟住輪到 tenses 啊，songwriting talent 呢一版就啱晒嘅。跟住下面就難啲咯，開始咁例如before IU performed at her world tour, she did a new single inspired by her fans 咁樣啦。咁喺 IU 有 perform 呢單嘢之前，佢做咗啲乜嘢啊？佢我明你會因為 just 所以有影響到你嘅思路啦。咁但係咧，你 logic 咁樣諗咧，有時 just 呢啲字唔一定係 present perfect 嘅，要諗成單嘢，佢個 logic 係啲咩？咁邊個先邊個後啊？咁呢單嘢先啊嘛，係 past tense。呢單嘢嗱，before 呢件事都係成單嘢都係 past tense，係過去式嚟嘅。咁過去式裏面有兩件喎，一個咧就係個 form 過堂，另一個咧就搞掂咗個 new single 啦。咁邊單嘢發生先啊？梗係 complete 咗呢單嘢先啊嘛。咁變咗佢就 had just completed 啦。咁呢個就個 just 咧就係坤鬼咗你啦。咁變咗有時啲字咧係即係你個 keyword 覺得係有時你 keyword 可能 just 你就會諗係啊一定係 present perfect 咧，其實唔係啊，好多時候都要睇意思。咁呢個就係個 story 啦。咁咧先呢度記唔記得我哋上題有講 passive tense 啊？passive 咁。She has just completed a new single who inspired her fans' stories. Last month, Wuji was fine-tuning Seventeen's upcoming album. Fans share clips of his old demos online, celebrating his growth. 多數咧，咁佢 demo 呢單嘢又係 logic 嚟嘅。demo 邊個擁有？呢啲 demo 嗰個 demo 你都好少 fans 會擁有先嘅，多數都係嗰間公司有噶嘛，咁就坤鬼咗你，咁就係 fans were shared 係啦，咁就因為佢哋被分享啊嘛，咁係咯，呢個就係又係 logic，咁同埋好困人真係，所以你就算錯呢條我都覺得好正常，咁因為呢份嘢我特登設計得佢難啲，所以就都算幾好啊，講真。咁睇下先，跟住 by 2025 BI has already established a solo career that rivals his icon days 啊，although he has not revisited，因為 since his departure in 2019啊嘛，自從到而家一刻啊嘛，咁 has not revisited 咯，所以就係、是。咁跟住咧，嗱、呢個咧又係凄涼嘅，爭啲咁多，我估你俾人 sidetrack 咗。咁呢度咧就係 years ago when IU was struggling with public criticism, she channeled her emotion into Palette, a song that has since inspired 嗱，咁啊，因為 since 啊嘛，從此咁前面都有一個 has 或者 have，咁係女仔所以 has 啦。咁但係都大部分都做得幾好，其實呢份嘢係做得幾好，即係我比我 expectation 好，所以就加油啦！係咯，good job！咁就 我今次俾你嗰份功課咧，即係嗰份嘢啦。主要其實係因為咧，因為我都啱啱開始幫你補習，但係你考試時間真係就快到，咁你同我講你想抽幾分，咁我就變咗做為英文補習老師咯，就 make sure 你做嘅 work 係 enough 去支撐你嘅考試，所以就所以就我病鬼咗，你都即係都 send 份嘢俾你咁樣啦。咁你唔忙嘅話咧，就做咗佢咯。咁如果最好就係做下 comprehension 同埋 proofreading 嘅最低限度，試下做。我知你好唔中意呢兩單嘢，咁但係因為英文係浸出嚟嘅，所以如果你唔係太忙嘅話咧，就嘗試下。如果唔係嘅話咧，你話我知咁，我哋上堂做咗佢啦。咁就係咁多咯。